Hello students, welcome to part 10, Enhancement in Food Production, chapter 11, and today we are going to discuss about how microbes are used as biocontrol agents. So biological agents, these may be microorganisms, bacteria, fungus, and they are used to kill or check the proliferation of disease causing agents. So they are termed as biopesticide. And this method, where biological methods or microorganisms like bacteria and fungus, they are used to control plant disease and pests, this method it is called as biocontrol. Now, chemical pesticides, of course, they are very useful, they are effective, but they are very toxic to plants, animals, insects. They enter the food chains, they enter the food webs, and they cause diseases. Also, they cause pollution of air, soil, water. So, what should we do? We should use them in optimum or a minimum quantity. So, instead of chemical pesticides, now we should move towards use of microbes in modern agriculture as pest. These microbes which we are using as pests, the bacteria or the fungi, they can be pathogens or they can be predators or they can be parasites on the pest. Natural predation is of course very useful and harmless. What is the need of modern farmers and how do they use these microbes? Modern farmers, unlike the conventional farmers, they have to understand the life cycles of organisms. They have to understand the various types of food chains, the food webs, food and feeding habits, the use of biopesticides, and interactions between flora and fauna. Study of all this will help them to use microorganisms to kill the harmful pest. Microbial biocontrol agents. First, we are going to study about a wonderful example of a bacteria, Bacillus thuringiensis. The dried spores of Bacillus thuringiensis, they are mixed with water and they are spread on vulnerable plants, especially cotton plants, brassica plants, etc. Now, when the pests, the insect pests, they come and start eating the leaves, they get killed because whenever the chemicals or the spores they are going inside the gut due to the alkalinity in the gut, it starts secreting, the spores start secreting toxic substances which will perforate the intestine of the caterpillar or that insect and it will kill it. Nowadays, a gene which is responsible to produce such toxic substances can be introduced in the cottonseed plant itself by a technology which is called as rDNA technology. Such type of modified plants, genetically modified plants, they are called as BT cotton. Similarly, BT brinjal and different types of BT plants are available in the market now. This is that bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis, and you can see how traditionally farmers they mix it with the spores of these dried bacteria and they spray it on the vulnerable plants. And if the insect, the toxic substances are released when the bacterial spores enters in the intestine, they release the toxic substances, they perforate the intestine, killing the insect. So these bacteria they can be used as microbiocontrol agent to kill harmful caterpillars. Trichoderma. Trichoderma are free-living fungus. They are fungi species which are found in the root system, rhizophyres. Especially they are present and they are useful to kill the soil-borne fungal plant pathogens. These fungus, they secrete chemical substances like viridin, gliotoxin, glioverdin, which will inhibit the other soil-borne pathogens which were attacking the rhizomes or the roots of the plants, thus causing rot diseases. And with the help of trichoderma we can kill these root rhizome causing diseases type of fungus. Not only these trichoderma kill the harmful pathogens but also they induce a defense mechanism in the plants. They stay in the form of colonies, root colonies near the roots of the plants, and they also promote growth of the plant by secreting certain growth promoters. Microbial pesticides and the host ranges. There are four different types of microbial pesticides which we can use. First is bacteria. Bacteria like Bacillus thuringiensis, Bacillus papilli, Bacillus lentimorbus can be used to kill caterpillars, cabbage worms, adult bees. You can see the picture of cabbage worms. Fungi. Fungi like Bissavuria bassiana, Entomophthera, Pallida roseum, Zuptora radicans. I know the names are difficult, but you have to learn them again and again. They are used, these fungi, they are used to kill aphids, croci, aphids unguiculata, mealybugs, mites, white flies. In the picture you can see aphids, different types of aphids. Protozoans like Nosema locusti, then it is used to kill varieties of grasshoppers, caterpillars, crickets, etc. Viruses like NPV, nucleopolyhedrovirus, or GV, granulovirus, it is used to kill caterpillar, gypsy moths, ant, wasps, beetles. In the first picture, you can see the caterpillar of the gypsy moth, and in the second picture, you can see the developed gypsy moth. So, these are the different types of bacteria, fungi, protozoans, or viruses which are used as pesticide to kill whom? To kill these varieties of host or kill these pathogens. So I hope you have understood. In next video, we will discuss about how microbes are used as biofertilizers. Thank you.